We're gonna go see some hippos and stuff. Crocodiles?
It's a special day because we're celebrating Katie's 16th birthday.
Sweaty, hot.
Already?
Always.
You applied your sunscreen?
But I'll still get sunburned.
Hey, how do the animals keep from getting sunburned?
Hippos, they secrete this kind of grease onto their skin that's like lotion, and it keeps them from getting sunburned. And then elephants throw dirt on their backs so they don't get sunburned. Rhinos roll around in mud. Yeah, fun fact.
Cool, let's go see them.
Okay. Member in the world. What's your favorite thing at Animal Kingdom?
My favorite thing at Animal Kingdom are the hidden and well-disguised animal exhibits. So on the back side of the Tree of Life, you can find some Galapagos tortoises, saddle-billed storks, and some porcupines. Food, my favorite restaurant in the park is Tiffins. Do you like Tiffins? It's a good menu, good service, good environment. I like the theme of it. It's about the research and discovery that went into building this park. I love the watermelon salad at Flame Tree Barbecue. It is so good.
Have a magical day.
Have a wild day. We don't have magical days, we have wild days. Wild day.
She's not related to zebras. She's the only living relative of the giraffe. And they make a noise to communicate with each other that humans can't hear because it's too low. So they're like secret messengers. White people didn't know they existed until 1901. Here's no copy skull compared to a giraffe skull.
That's a giraffe skull?
They have the same skull, just a little bigger.
We haven't even started hiking yet and you're already sweating.
So it's 95 degrees outside, plus humidity.
So what is behind you?
Harnesses, because we're about to go bungee jumping into the mouth of a crocodile. We may never return.
Katie's trying to figure out how to drink out of her water bottle right now. Kitty! Staying hydrated. You know her drinking her water before this party even starts. What you guys don't know about Katie, she's a camel. She can actually hold her water for about 7 weeks.
I am a scimitar horned oryx, actually.
You should probably fill that back up again.
Yeah, I will.
Is that a tube?
Yeah. They get up to 18 inches in. Their cheeks are what kind of gross.
Because there's like so much blubber. Hey, it's Katie's job. What do you think about being on this side of the river, Katie?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
See all the fat of the hippos. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're not scared?
No.
You're scared.
Why are you excited about this one?
Because I watch a lot of Crocodile Hunter.
So we're crossing the Nile crocodiles, correct?
Oh, hippos first. This whole thing is hippos. And then once we pass that wall, which is where we're going over, then it goes to crocodiles. It's a good workout walking. Exactly, yeah, 'cause you carve it out.
recommend Googling it, YouTubing it, anything like that. Because what the giraffes will do, they will literally slap their necks up against each other, and that's how they're going to fight and establish territory, dominance, things like that. And those ossicones really just add another kind of blunt weapon to say that they can use to fight with each other. They're not going to be sharp or... So the one about to cross the road, this giraffe, his name is Wyatt. And you can tell he is a little bit younger because he has those really fuzzy ossicones still. I think his are almost fuzzier than ours.
I think he still has a burn into him.
Yeah, he's getting there still. But he is one of our younger giraffes. Not quite a baby, but still not a full-grown adult. He's kind of like...
Where are we? We're in the middle of your savannah.
Covering out that top layer, there's one fruit salad. It's melons, blueberries, pineapple, and it's also got a really refreshing honey, mint, and ginger glaze on it. And it's kind of balanced out with some mangoes and grapes and a lot of really good flavors.
You gotta look at me. Where's watermelon?
What is that? The chicken salad?
I think so.
Is it food for your food?
Yeah. They're giving me food for my food. He's like, would you like some salad? Since I am not a rabbit, I do. This is not Ron Swanson style food, that's for sure.
Your first time trying jicama.
I don't know what that is.
It's the like.
It looks like coleslaw. But
Yeah.
It was good. It tastes like rhubarb.
Had good flavors.
Flavors and textures were there.
Just chilling up here on the savannah.
That hummus was delicious though.
Of course, and the bread as well, right? Because you love bread.
Love carbs. But what was your favorite, Jake?
My favorite?
Food.
The salmon sandwich was particularly good. It was very moist, and the flavors were really there for me.
What about your shrimp?
But the shrimp were great. The shrimp were spectacular. I mean, they were just...
So 10 out of 10, you would come here again?
Oh, I would absolutely come here again. I was telling Katie, spend at least $17 on our meal each. So
You would at least spend that much?
at least.
But we're going to Epcot, so we're going to spend a lot more money on that kind of meal.
We're eating good today.
Look at all these elephants. You know what a group of elephants is called?
Pod.
It's a parade, actually. Just missing a few letters. For almost 10 months now. Oh, just north of Atlanta.
Try this. What have you been waiting for all year?
All year? I wouldn't say all year.
Well, for a while.
I'd say 367 days,
So more than a year.
give or take 12 hours. This is the American Pavilion, and they do lobster rolls here, so
So you're wanting to get
I'm gonna get myself a lobster roll.
how many
Just one.
for right now?
Just one. Yes. There she waves.
Alright, you're almost there, Jake. Almost.
Sweating. Getting my water weight levels down. Got a wrestling match next month. So I'm wearing this poncho, even though I don't have to. It's not raining, just sweating profusely.
How is it?
Lobster melts as soon as it touches your tongue.
10 out of 10?
Oh yeah. Sauce is just
Delicious.
it's real neutral. Flavors of lobster just really accentuates them. Once again, it just melts in your mouth.
Tell us what you got, Jake.
All right, we got some Chinatsuki from Hawaii here at the Food and Wine Festival.
How is it?
be honest with you, the breadcrumbs are incredibly stale. Very chewy. Let's try the seaweed. I can dig it.
How's the tuna?
So I go
Is it good? 10 out of 10? What do you rate it?
6.
6 out of 10.
Hawaii, I'm sorry, you get a 6.
Piggy wings, roasted pork wings with Korean barbecue, smoked corned beef. This is a hard decision.
Short rib tostada. It's on a corn tortilla, some black bean base. Make sure you're holding your plate.
Let's go.
Let's get a big bite. Come on, get in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. How's that?
That's really good.
Yeah?
One bite?
Describe the flavors.
Corn tortilla is not stale. It's crispy.
Nice. How about that salsa?
The salsa is really good.
It's a salsa verde.
And it's very, yes, and it's very,
Mild.
because it's got onions and lots of cilantro.
There you go.
So you can like smell it while you're eating it, which is good.
Okay.
It's really good. Please have a bite.
Nope. It's your dinner.